Hello guys, I'm Rajesh Madhale. Today's unboxing video is of this LED light All Extreme EXL3 FWS Universal LED. This I had ordered and I got the delivery on 13th of July. Yes, and the return eligible through 23rd of July 2022. It had costed me rupees 169, right? The product is cheaper, and today we're gonna unbox this. Let us see whether I have got the same product or not. So guys, you can see this product I ordered through Amazon. On Amazon I got this in rupees 169, right? Let us see whether the product is same or not. So this kind of packaging is like this. You can see Amazon packets, they pack like this. You can see the logo Amazon.in over here, and let's unbox it, right? So here is blade in my hand, and I'm gonna open the box in this way. Okay, so when you open this box, you will see here this is drill. In the name of Anita Kami, I have ordered it. The whole details are there. So let's keep it aside, and this is the box inside, right? Extreme. MRP is 192, but I got it on 169 rupees. Product is like this. Okay, you can see this, and now let us open it further. Here, keep the paper aside. Let's check. Okay, so it's like this. Here you can see this, and the quality is so and so. Let's see. Then this is the next, right? You can actually see over here. Okay, so here in there is one button over here. Okay, on and off button is here. Okay, so only this much is there in this box. The rest is nothing. Okay, we have the replacement policy over here on up to 23rd of July we can replace it. So we have to keep all this material, yes, over here, and the box is also here. Then tomorrow I'm gonna connect it or test it, and then if it works good, well and good, then I'm not gonna return it. But if there is any problem, then I'm gonna return it, right? So good, I think it's a good one, right? This is for support. Okay, okay friends, thanks for watching. Please support by tapping the bell icon and hit the like button and and subscribe for more such kind of videos. Thank you very much.